How to cook easy Ginataang Langka or unripe jackfruit in coconut milk. First things first, let's heat oil in a pan and saute garlic and onion. And then we add 1 tablespoon of sauteed shrimp paste. Next, we add in the langka or the unripe jackfruit. Next, we add a can of coconut milk. We cover it and let it boil for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, we put some chili peppers and add a cup of coconut cream. We can add some salt and some pepper to adjust the taste. We cook for a few more minutes and then it's done. Thank you for watching.